A cluttered service van slows you down, wastes time, and makes every job more frustrating than it needs to be. In this video, we're checking out the top 7 magnetic EDC organizers designed to keep your heavy-duty service van clean, efficient, and job site ready at all times. From powerful tool holder strips like the ELEAD magnetic tool holder strip set and SEDY magnetic tool holder organizer to smart storage solutions for drills, screwdrivers, and loose hardware, these organizers help maximize space while keeping your most used tools exactly where you need them. Number 1. Tired of cluttered workbenches and searching for tools endlessly? Reason 1. Powerful magnetic grip holds tools instantly, no slipping. Holds hammers, screwdrivers, wrenches, even heavy metal tools confidently. Reason 2. Heavy-duty 1-2-inch strip saves space and organizes. Mount multiple strips for wall-to-wall organization in any shop. Reason 3. Includes mounting screws for fast, hassle-free installation. Set it up in minutes with simple tools and confidence. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts who value order and quick access. Professional mechanics appreciate its durability and reliable magnetic performance. Homeowners benefit too: garage, kitchen, laundry room, or workshop. No more wasted time digging through drawers and boxes. Tools stay visible, accessible, and neatly arranged at all times. Strong magnets prevent accidental falls, keeping tools safely mounted. Sturdy construction stands up to daily shop and garage use. 12-inch length fits common tool sizes and maximizes reach. Combine strips for longer runs or specific tool zones. Installation is straightforward, pre-drilled holes, and included screws simplify mounting. Mount on studs, pegboards, or walls with confident stability. Compact profile keeps tools close without taking up space. Great for small workshops, tight garages, or crowded counters. Organized by type: screwdrivers here, wrenches there, find tools instantly. Cleaner workspace improves efficiency and protects your tools longer. Trusted by hobbyists and pros who demand reliable storage solutions. 8 strips included give flexibility to outfit any workspace quickly. Affordable, durable, and ready to install value you can see. Imagine grabbing the right tool instantly and getting back to work. Click the link, pick your set, and upgrade your shop today. Fast shipping, simple returns, and customer support ready to help. Join thousands of satisfied users who stopped misplacing tools. Buy the AMM magnetic tool strips and reclaim your workspace. Number 2. Tired of cluttered garages and tools scattered everywhere? You waste time searching for drills and tangled cords daily. Drilling holes and using screws feels permanent and messy. Plastic hooks fall off, damaging surfaces and tools alike. You need a fast, strong, scratch-free storage solution. Meet PEMSANZE Magnetic W Hanger. Tool-free, instant mounting. Industrial-strength rubber-covered magnets hold up to 10 pounds. No drilling, no screws, no tools required, just stick. Attaches instantly to any ferrous metal surface. Very secure. Works on fridge, garage, cabinet, RV, grill, whiteboard. Avoid aluminium and non-magnetic stainless steel surfaces entirely. Rubber coating prevents scratches while protecting delicate finishes. Adjustable W hanger expands to fit drills, brooms, hoses, cords. Strong and flexible reshape hanger for different tool sizes. Simple setup. Press onto surface. Angle hanger. You're done. Ideal for DIYers, homeowners, RV owners, and busy garages. Tip. Surface thickness must exceed 1.2 mm for proper hold. If surface uneven, magnet may slide, choose flat steel. Compare. Before, messy tools on floor and hooks failing. After, neat vertical storage, easy access, no surface damage. Holds power tools, ladders, hoses, helmets, headphones, heavy items. Each pack includes 2 W hangers for flexible storage layouts. Built to last, durable magnets, and rubber coating longevity. No permanent changes to your vehicle or cabinets required. Mount, move, reposition storage should be easy and reversible. Saves time, clears floors, protects tools, and painted surfaces. Affordable, practical, and surprisingly strong for everyday use. Ready to declutter? Upgrade your garage storage in minutes. Grab the PEMSANZE Magnetic W Hanger 2-pack today. Transform storage. Click to buy now organized tools, no drilling required. Number 3. Tired of tools buried in drawers and cluttered benches? Wasting minutes searching for a screwdriver or drill? Missed deadlines because parts and tools aren't organized? You need a smarter, faster way to store tools. Meet the ULIBERMAGNET Magnetic Power Tool Organizer System. Strong, rubber-coated magnets hold tools without drilling or damage. Utility storage rack fits garages, workshops, and tool rooms. Heavy-duty welded steel frame resists bending and breaking. Holds up to 4 cordless drills securely and accessibly. Dedicated slots store 9 screwdrivers of different sizes neatly. Find the right tool instantly, no more wasted minutes. Before, drills piled on benches, screwdrivers scattered everywhere, knocking tools over, damaged bits, expensive replacements needed. After, everything visible, secure, and within arm's reach. Clears benches, creates usable workspace instantly and efficiently. No screws, no drilling attached with included rubber-coated magnets. Removable rack moves easily between metal surfaces when needed. Reinforced joints and welding supporting heavy batteries and tools. Perfect for DIY garages, professional shops, and warehouses. Spend less searching, more time actually working on projects. Keeps sharp tips away from hands, safer workspace for everyone. Looks tidy and professional, impress clients and co-workers easily. Built to last so your investment pays off long-term. Magnet coating protects painted surfaces from scratches or marks. Magnetic, heavy-duty, removable organizer. Everything in its place. Ready to stop losing time and tools today? Mount ULIBERMAGNET, now transform your workspace in minutes. Click to buy. Upgrade your garage organization instantly. Number 4. Tools buried in messy toolbox wasted my time and patience. Searched frantically for screwdrivers among tangled sockets and rags. Dropped a wrench, cursed, lost momentum on my project. Kids, tripped over toolbox. Safety became a real concern fast. Every minute wasted meant deadline slipping and frustration rising. Wall pegboard beside me was cluttered and underutilized completely. I needed a clean, instant access solution for heavy tools. Magnetic bars online seemed promising, but many looked weak. I didn't want flimsy magnets failing under heavy hammers. Time to find something strong, sleek, and worry-free. Scrolling late night, a 2.4-inch magnetic bar caught my eye. Upgraded version touted extra strength magnets. Intrigued instantly. Reviews showed heavy-duty pull force holding big tools conf. Identally, images displayed hammers, axes, wrenches stuck solidly to bar. Seller promised even magnetic spread across the entire length. Free screws and anchors included made installation sound effortless. What grabbed me most? Incredibly powerful magnets that never lose strength. Magnet force spreads evenly, using the full 2.4-inch space. No weak spots. Every inch attracts tools with strong hold. Black minimalist cover hides magnets. Looks sleek and professional. Holds tiny screwdrivers and hulking hammers equally without slipping. Upgraded hardware guaranteed simple mounting on wall, pegboard, or slat. Installed in minutes. Workspace transformed from chaos to organized calm. Tools now visible, reachable, and no more frantic searching. Heavy hammer stuck firmly, never wobbling or falling unexpectedly. AIN. Kids no longer trip over scattered tools. Safety instantly improved. Projects flow faster. Minutes saved add up to big gains. Garage, kitchen, studio. Everything looks cleaner, with tools on display. Ready to stop tool chaos and upgrade your workspace today? Why wait? Grab the upgraded magnetic bar and get working. Number 5. Who else hoards tangled cords like it's modern art? Is your garage a black hole for every tool? Drilling holes, losing screws, my garage looked like war-zone cords on floor. Hoses as tripping hazards, chaos daily. Enter my secret weapon. ULIBERMAGNET, magnetic storage hooks, super strong magnet grips. Tools like Clingy X, no drilling, no damage, just slap them on metal. Holds cords, hoses, ropes, extension cables, ridiculously sturdy, even saves floor space, turns chaos into a garage runway. DIYers, mechanics, RV owners, this is for you. Tiny 1, 6, 9, Inch Hero. Packs serious magnetic muscle for real. Damage-free mounting on metal spouse approval guaranteed. 4-pack saves marriages, workshop sanity, and spare screws. Stop living with cord spaghetti. Magnetize your life today. ULIBERMAGNET. Stick it, hang it, flex your tidy garage. Number 6. Tired of tools scattered, drawers overflowing, wasting precious time, frustrated hunting, screwdrivers, pliers, buried beneath junk and grime, tools falling off workbench, magnets failing to hold properly, workspace clutter steals focus and slows every repair job. Much-Uactor magnetic rack holds screwdrivers, pliers, ratchets securely. 18 well-spaced pre-drilled holes organize tools neatly and accessibly. Heavy-duty metal construction ensures durability for demanding workshop use. Strong magnetic backing attaches to fridges, toolboxes, carts instantly. Anti-slip magnetic stripe prevents sliding. Keeps tools firmly positioned. 3 additional pre-drilled holes accommodate different-sized hand tools. Quick installation, no drilling or nails, preserves walls and surfaces. Free up drawer space. Make tool selection faster and precise. Clear visual layout reduces search time and prevents redundant purchases. Ideal for DIYers, mechanics, and homeowners seeking organized efficiency. Invest once for a durable, tidy workshop that saves time. Number 7. I found my toolbox swallowed my day. Tools everywhere, chaos. Thought stronger organizers were myths. Flimsy clips betrayed me. Screwdrivers slid, wrenches scratched. I lost hours searching. Bought magnets once they weakened. Tools clattered to floor. I nearly gave up, braced for another disappointment. Then I discovered the upgraded 1-2-inch heavy-duty magnetic holders. Industrial-strength magnets held my largest wrenches without hesitation. 4 12-inch bars gave me 48 glorious inches. Hammers, pliers, screwdrivers, everything snapped to place, perfectly organized. Workshop looked sharp. No more junked toolbox shame. Installed in minutes on concrete, wood, or pegboard. Sleek black strip hides power, no ugly stickers. Magnets never lose force. These simply keep holding. As a mechanic, I trust them saved my sanity. Get the 4. Pack now, organize, protect, and work faster. Those were 7 magnetic EDC organizers that can completely transform the way you store and access tools inside your service van. Whether you're a contractor, technician, mechanic, or DIY professional, simple upgrades like the ULIBERMAGNET Magnetic Power Tool Organizer and heavy-duty magnetic bars can save time, reduce clutter, and improve workflow every single day. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone looking to build a cleaner, more organized mobile workspace.